Hey everyone, welcome back to my day job, and today we are going to unbox a very special item that I've been waiting for. From my first channel, Mike TA, Mike Tech Audio, I've earned money there, and with that earnings, I bought it a new speaker. So this is going to be a speaker that is not much known to anyone but known to everyone for having great chargers, power banks, and other stuff. But when it comes to speakers, people would mostly flock to the likes of JBL, Sony, Bose, UA, and other brands as well. For its price, it's the cheapest when it comes to loudness, bass as well, compared to like JBL, Sony. For the price, guys, I'm telling you, this is a worth it speaker from Anker. So let's get into it. Let's unbox the Anker Soundcore Motion Boom. Ooh, this is a speaker. This is contending against like the likes of Sony's XB43, JBL's Extreme 3 for the price of $99.99 or equivalent to nearly 5,000 pesos. So let's unbox this one. I am really excited. I still have here my Sony, which is already 4 years old, and I want to test it out against this one. These are both 30 watts. Oh, so it's secured. So in the box, you have here your charging cable. It's USB Type-C, which is really great, to USB Type-A. So it's like a bag, but it's a speaker. On the specifications, it could last up to 24 hours of playtime, but that depends on the usage at 50%. It depends also on the genre of music you're playing. At 50%, I couldn't even count how many hours I'm playing this or even days. At full volume, I was able to get 5 hours of playtime. So here's a speaker. So there is some quite heft to it. Let's test the weight. One 1.5 kilograms. While my Sony on the other hand weighs about 976, almost a kilogram. So it's a bit heavier, around 500 or 600 grams heavier than the Sony XB30. Instead of a fabric mesh, you have a metal grill. Then on the front, you have here your TWS, so you can pair another or second motion boom, so you can split the party or have it on stereo. Don't worry, this is not mono, this is stereo. Then you have here your power button, then your controls. You have the volume up, volume down, and play and pause. The Soundcore logo is a play and pause button, also double for next and triple for previous. Then you have your Bluetooth button, then your bass up button. What's so great about this is that when you turn it on, for example, we have a party with you and someone touched this one, it won't turn off with just a touch. You need to long press it just to avoid the party get ruined. Then to side, you have here your passive radiators. These are plastic passive radiators. By the way, this is IPX7 waterproof. And you have here your rubber flap. The one caveat I don't like with the rubber flap is that it's really hard to open, which is good as well because of being secure for not water to enter in. And there you have it. So sadly there's no auxiliary input or audio jack. For the size of the speaker, they should have included it for latency-less playbacks. Then here you have your USB Type-C for charging. It cannot act as an auxiliary for music, so it's only for charging. Then your output for charging your phone. So this also acts as a power bank. So without further ado, let's do the sound test, because I know everyone are really waiting for that part for the sound test. Many of you could already say that we already know what the speaker is made, what it's all about. So can you just please forward to the sound test? Don't worry, I'll be putting timestamps on the description so that you can just navigate through the video. So let's go for the sound test.
It's been a roller coaster, but you stayed, and now I'm taking over for the day. 'Cause I can be what you wanna be, and I can feel that you love for me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors, I'm knocking on. I'm losing control. Be the one to leave my fantasy. Show you, baby, your hands all over me. I'll never let go. 'Cause
Let's get it. Let's get it big, big, big. Let's get it big, big. Let's get it big. Until I forget my name. Let's get it big, big, big. Let's get it big. Let's get it big, big, big. Let's get it If you wanna dance, I can tell you about this place I know. Somewhere hidden in the stars. Oh, don't waste your energy, even though it's plenty deep. Gotta give you roll tonight.
So guys, that was the sound test of the Anker Soundcore Motion Boom. In comparison with the Sony SRS XB30, this one is louder. I mean really loud. For the price of only $99, this is something that Sony cannot beat. I bought the Sony for around 7,000 pesos. This one for 5,000 pesos, which is cheaper but with bigger battery and louder as well. This one is IPX5 splash proof but not waterproof. This one is fully waterproof. You can buy this one on AliExpress, Amazon, but I bought this one on AliExpress because on Amazon it's out of stock. Grab yours now because this is a fast selling Bluetooth speaker. So guys, that was my review with the Anker Soundcore Motion Boom. I'm sorry if I couldn't give you much more detailed explanation. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow my Facebook channels, Facebook page, my Facebook pages, my Twitter handle as well. I'm going to put it down the comments, the description box. So there's a box on the description where you can actually navigate through timestamps, my social media accounts here on YouTube. Please do subscribe because most of my viewers aren't subscribed and you're going to miss out a lot of content from me. So please do guys, it really helps a lot. So that's all. That was my review and unboxing of this Anker Soundcore Motion Boom. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.